wee flight. What is good, people? Welcome back to another video. Have I done my... I have. No! They've done it again. God damn it. Well, anyway, welcome back to another video. So there's a little topic I want to talk about today, and it's another YouTuber. His name is Gareth Butler, and he's just recently started back up on the motovlogging scene again, and it's good to see him back. So yeah, good shout out to you, Gareth. And I've chosen the wrong fucking way to come today. Come on, come on, come on. So yeah, glad you're back, and I'm not glad to be stuck at this fucking light. I want to get a fucking energy drink today. Come on, come on. Oh my god, seriously, come on. Finally. So yeah, welcome back, dude. Big shout out to you. I did leave a comment on one of your videos earlier today. Yeah, anyone on my channel that knows him, he's from Llanelli. I pronounced that correctly. I almost didn't. Yeah, so just to give you an idea of where I'm at, I'm based in South Wales, more so Risca, Newport, Cardiff, Cumbranistan area. I used to watch all of his videos like religiously. Go give him a follow, he's getting his subscribers back up. I think he's on 116 right now. So yeah, if some of you jump over there, give him some love. He's a really good vlogger. Go over there, watch his videos, because he's funny as fuck. And his videos are just fucking random as hell. It's great. Oh, come on, dude. Yeah, well done. Fucking pricks. I know I'm all about the momentum, but fuck now. Superview will not do that justice. I will demonstrate now how far away I was. It was about this far away. Fucking absolutely crazy. But no, he is a good YouTuber. Swear down. Give him a follow, because he's just started back up again. Come on, my son. Do better than what I can. I ain't even got a fucking push bike. The cyclists gotta wave to each other now. Like us motorcyclists. Are they part of the like cycling family? Just like a motorcyclist. Ooh, white line. That tickled my wheels. Oopsies. So, I'm going to treat myself today. I'm going to buy a motherfucking energy drink. Because I deserve it. I worked my ass off sitting in a chair all day doing nothing. Yeah, I pretty much do fuck all. Well, I can't say that. When there is work, it is busy. And my pecs are really loose. Okay. Swiveling round on my pec when I'm penguining. Penguining? I don't even fucking word. When I'm doing the penguin feet. But yeah, me gonna give myself some energy. Is anyone else energy addicts out there? That's all I was drinking on my group ride when I went with the other guys. When I went out with the guys to Brecon and what have you. Man, these people are slow today. Some people either don't want to get to work on time. But you watch now, come in the morning, guaranteed. Hello. Guaranteed they will fucking wacky races in the morning. Swear down. It's absolutely mental. I did the math to Llanelli, and it's about an hour and a half, because I'm based in obviously Risca Newport area. So yeah, maybe, just maybe, I'll have to pop down with a few of my crones. My cronies. Or my, well, the people I ride with, and pop down for a day. If that's your flavour, I mean, you might not even see this video, which I hope you will. It'd be interesting to hear your feedback and comment. Not for any specific reason, but yeah, help me help you, sort of thing. Another thing I'm trying out in this video is I'm still using Super View, but I've taken off the stabilization feature so I can essentially get more view, because you lose about 10% POV, and yeah, so I wanted to try it without the 10% decrease of view. Just park right here. It says no parking. That's good. I'll squeeze in. Good old Relentless. Literally, gotta go around the corner now. So I'm putting this in my bag. Oh yeah. Like a glove. Oh, quick question now. If I got me mask. I got me mask. I got me mask. For good reason. I have to wear the mask on entry to my job. Yes. Got my relentless. Do you like my bejazzles? Oh great. Fuel injector. Again, nothing. Bye. Fucking light, come on. And you know what will solve that shit? Turning it back on a couple of days. Oh, just starting it up a couple of times so somehow it flushes it through. Oh come on, I like these corners. Although they're shitty roads and look greasy as fuck, still fun to do. But now I got a fucking engine management light on. Although I know it's not a major issue because it's F1 and it's happened before, and it does eventually fucking disappear. But I didn't do anything wrong with the bike, so stopped and started it. I am positive it's just a code error. Trust it to happen. Whee! Will anybody surprise me? No, they won't. I really wanted. I don't know what bike to get next. People say, oh, well, you're going to do your test and go from there and do that. But I don't know yet. I've explained in another video that, you know, I've got some stuff to do first before I even consider doing my direct access. But I will at some point. Ain't got shit on me. Oh, come on, Ed. You want a race? You're gonna win. I'm on a 125, boy. Fuck it up. I could get 83 out of this, and that's screaming the fucking titties off of it. I ain't gonna fucking challenge you. I mean, I could off a start. I could overtake you now at the lights when they're nice and red. But I need to come over anyway. Ooh, good timing, boy. Oh, come on. Which way will he go? Yeah. Come on, boy Ritter. Which lane will he choose? No lane, because he's going on the motorway, which is not the way I'm going. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.